Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to give you some last minute tricks which will help you to score good marks and also to secure a good rank in Comedk exam. So before starting the video, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. So as we all know, on 28th May we have our Comedk exam. The pattern of the exam is 60 marks question, 60 questions of 60 marks each paper of physics, and similarly 60 questions of chemistry, 60 questions of mathematics. So almost 180 questions will be there, and the time given for us will be 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. Okay, so now let us discuss the tricks which will help us to score good marks at the last minute without any studying, without any preparation. So let us see the tricks. So first, trick number 1, find similar options. So this is the most famous method, okay, which is used nowadays in our exams. uh, if you know 30 questions in 60 questions, suppose we have 180 questions, you know 100 questions how to solve. If you don't know how to solve the other questions, then you can apply this method to those questions. So finding the similar options. Now the trick is that you need to find the questions which have similar options. Like suppose if you have given a particular question and the options are given, if you find three options among four are most similar, then you can choose of this, then you can eliminate another one, then by eliminating those, then you will get the final answer. So for understanding, we have taken an example here. So the example is like, we have given a particular question and the options we have been given. So these are the options which have been given to us. Now you can see option A, option B, and option D are the most similar ones option. Okay, we can see here it's given as 2x minus 3, option B is given as 2x plus 3, option D is 2x plus 4. Now option A, B and D are the most similar ones. We will just delete this option. Option C, we are just going to delete option C. Now let us delete another option from A, B and D. Now we can see option A and option B are the most similar among option A, B, C and D. Now we'll delete what? Option C and option D. We are going to delete these both options. Now we have got what? Option A and option B. Now let us see the most similar one among option A and option B. Now how to see the most similar one? You can see here the signs. We have positive sign here. We have positive sign in this option. Option B we have positive sign, and option C again we have the positive sign. Option D again we have the positive sign. Okay, so this tells us that option B is the correct answer. So this is the method from which how you can find the correct answer, and you can just increase your probability of getting more marks in that question. Okay, so this is the trick number 1 which you can apply. So you cannot apply this to all 180 questions because each and every question will not be of similar type. You can apply it to almost you can think 50 questions. Okay, you can apply it to 50 questions, or you can apply it to 40 questions. Okay, this might help you to score more marks. It can help you to get more marks. Okay, it can increase your probability of getting more marks, okay, from this method. This is the trick number 1. Now let us see trick number 2. Now trick number 2 is that tick the option which you have learned. Now suppose if you have given a question and the options are given in this manner. So we have taken an example. So the first option we have given, so these are the options which we have given, that is carnallite, dolomite, calamine and seawater. Now see the option which you have learned. Remember, if we have given a carnallite, think that if you have seen this carnallite word somewhere in your portion, in your physics or in chemistry or your maths. Think if this is a chemistry question, then think in a chemistry if you are seeing carnallite somewhere. Okay, if not, then just eliminate this question. Now let us think dolomite. If you have seen dolomite in your question, if you are somewhere in your portion, dolomite. Okay, if you have not seen dolomite anywhere, you don't remember, you don't remember that you have seen dolomite or not, then just eliminate this option also. Now calamine. If you if you have not seen the calamine also in your portion, if you don't remember that whether you have seen or not, then just eliminate this option too. Now remain, we have got seawater, and you think that you know seawater, you have seen somewhere that word in your portion seawater. Okay, then just go and just tick this answer. This will we will not assure that this answer will be correct, but it will increase the probability of getting the option correct. Okay, so this is the trick number 2. So these are the two tricks which you can apply without any studying at the last moment. Okay, to get increase your probability of getting more marks in your Comedk exam, and also getting a good rank in your Comedk exam. So these are the two tricks. So a last tip I want to give you, that by applying these tricks to all 180 questions is not possible, because all 180 questions will not be same type. There may be another different types. So applying to all 180 questions, if you don't know anything, if you are fully dumb, then if you don't know anything, then if you apply to all 180 questions, if you apply to all 180 questions, then the probability of getting the correct ones will be around 30, or it will be around 40. Okay, this will be the probability of getting the correct answer. So if you score 30 or if you score 40, then you will not get a good rank in the Comedk, and you will not get a seat in the good college. So my suggestion is that if you have 180 questions, apply it to 40 questions, or you apply it to 35 questions. Okay, but try to solve by your own. Okay, just think twice, think thrice, and try to solve each and every question. Okay, if you don't know anything, if you at the point of time, if the time is less, or if you don't know anything, then you can apply these methods. This will increase your probability of getting more marks into the Comedk exam. So these were the few tricks which I guess will help you in your exam. So this much in the video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.